Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a game pass in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Tap the three-dot menu at the bottom right, scroll down, and select Create. Once the Creator Hub loads, tap the three horizontal lines next to Creator Hub to open the menu, then select Dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see all your experiences. By default, every Roblox player has one. If you have multiple, select the one marked Public. Open the menu again by tapping the three horizontal lines at the top left, scroll down, select Passes, then tap Create a Pass. Now, upload an image if you want. This image will be displayed on your stand in Please Donate. Next, enter a name for your pass. This will also be shown on your stand. Add a description if needed, then tap Create Pass. After creating the pass, select it and open the menu again. This time, go to Sales. Toggle on Item for Sale and set a price. Keep in mind that Roblox takes a 30% fee, so if you list it for 10 Robux, you will earn 7. Tap Save. Now, go back to Please Donate, claim a stand, and your Game Pass will be listed for sale. So that's basically how you can make a Game Pass in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.